Social media positioning strategy. The most popular social media platforms include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Snapchat, Google+, Reddit, Tumblr, and Medium. Each platform has its own set of features and functionality. To properly position yourself within these platforms, it's crucial to take advantage of everyone's strengths and weaknesses. It may seem like a daunting task, but once you've selected your target audience, it's time to map out your plans. What type of product do you plan to create? How will you sell it? How much money do you need to raise to make this possible? These questions are just some things you must answer before starting down any path. Once you've responded to them, you'll be free to move forward confidently. If you have no idea where to begin, consider the following 5 tips for creating an effective online presence. 1. Focus on quality over quantity. You don't have to be on every website available, nor do you need to post your content everywhere. Start with the sites that provide the most outstanding value to you, and then branch out. There's nothing wrong with keeping a small group of loyal followers happy. 2. Use keywords wisely. Keywords are often underused when it comes to social media. If you use the right ones, however, you can generate leads and conversions without spending too much money or time. If someone clicks on a link from another site, their browser searches through keywords on that page to find the information they seek. 3. Be consistent. Don't expect visitors to follow you across multiple websites. Make sure that all your social media profiles link back to your homepage so that visitors can easily navigate between all your sites. Additionally, try posting at least twice per day, and that way, you won't lose traffic to other sources. 4. Post regularly. Just because you have a fantastic blog doesn't mean that everyone else does. Posting consistently across every social network gives you credibility and establishes trust. Furthermore, it keeps you in front of potential customers' eyes and ears. 5. Create content. The more original and engaging content you offer, the greater the chance of making new connections. Content isn't only limited to blogs, videos, infographics, podcasts, photos, slideshows, etc., can also help build a strong brand identity and establish trust with audiences. Once you know what you're doing, you'll determine which social networks to use and how to utilize them throughout the year best. How to get started with your online presence. Think about what kind of business you want to run and the products and services you'd like to offer. Think about who your ideal customer is and how they communicate. This knowledge will give you the tools to promote your business online effectively. Here are 4 steps you can take to get started. 1. Choose a brand name. Find a name that's unique yet memorable. It should ideally reflect both your personality and the nature of your business. 2. Research target audiences and markets. Before you launch any marketing strategies, it would be wise to identify precisely whom you wish to reach. Understand the demographics of your market and tailor your message accordingly. 3. Determine goals. Write down specific goals such as gaining exposure, attracting email subscribers, raising awareness among local communities, generating sales leads, or building relationships. 4. Set up a website. Creating a website is one of the easiest ways to attract interest and drive traffic to your business. However, keep in mind that search engines prefer user-friendly and easy-update websites. Optimize your website by including relevant SEO. Search engine optimization, keywords. Social media marketing tips for small businesses. There are 3 main categories of social media. Facebook. Facebook is one of the largest social networking sites today. Anyone can join for free, but becoming successful requires understanding various aspects of Facebook advertising. Learn how to increase engagement and drive sales using Facebook ads. Twitter. Twitter is a microblogging site like Twitter. Users share short messages called tweets that contain 140 characters or fewer. Tweets aren't archived or searchable, but many applications are available to make tweets useful. Learn how to leverage Twitter for small businesses. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional networking site designed specifically for professionals. It allows users to create a personal profile that includes information about their education, work history, skills, and interests. Successful marketers must fully understand how to use LinkedIn and other social media platforms.